If Amazon Prime Video isn't working while your VPN is on, it usually means the platform has detected the VPN connection and is blocking it. Streaming services like Amazon Prime try to limit access based on region, so they use technology to identify and block shared VPN IP addresses. So, first things first, why is Amazon Prime Video not working with your VPN in the first place? One of the most common reasons is using a free VPN. Free VPNs rarely have proper streaming support and often lack the technology needed to bypass Amazon Prime's VPN restrictions. Even if you use a premium VPN, you might still see that HTTP proxy error pop up. But don't worry. The difference is that with a reliable premium VPN, this problem can actually be fixed. If you don't already have a trustworthy provider, I highly recommend NordVPN. And if you want to follow along, click the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. I've been using it for a long time, and it's one of the best options for streaming. I'll explain why in a moment, but before that, let's go through a few quick troubleshooting steps to help fix the problem. The easiest way to fix this is to switch to a different VPN server. In NordVPN, open the app and disconnect from your current server. Then connect to another one in the same country you're trying to watch from. For example, a different US or UK server. NordVPN updates its IPs often, and switching servers usually fixes streaming errors right away. If that doesn't work, clear your browser's cookies and cache. Amazon stores your region data, and sometimes it keeps showing your old location even when you're connected to a VPN. After clearing cookies, restart the browser or app and log back into Prime Video. Another possible cause of the problem lies in your device's DNS entries. Amazon can use your DNS to detect your true location, even when your VPN is active. To fix this on Windows, press the Windows key plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. Then, in the terminal, type ipconfig /dns and hit Enter. Wait for the confirmation message, and you're done. You can also try using a different device or the NordVPN browser extension instead of the desktop app. Extensions sometimes use different routing paths that aren't detected by Amazon. Make sure you're using the latest version of the NordVPN app. Updates often include new servers optimized for streaming. Finally, if you only need to access Prime Video libraries for privacy or travel reasons, connect to a country where your subscription is valid. Some regions have different licensing rights, and connecting elsewhere might cause temporary access issues. This appears to be totally legal, but it's a good idea to check Amazon's terms of service or contact their customer support if you're unsure. Using a VPN for privacy, security, or travel access is normally fine, but rules can vary. VPNs are also great for protecting your data on public Wi-Fi and for unblocking websites that may be censored where you live. So the easy solution is switch to another NordVPN server, clear cookies, and reconnect. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN for a great price and enjoy smoother streaming anywhere.